Hi, everyone. It's LuisFernandez here with the LRF Group with Berkshire Hathaway, and I'm reaching out to all my friends and customers. Been getting a lot of calls the last few days, and they're concerned about the stock market, the inflation, and the recession, how that's going to impact our real estate market here locally. And so I wanted to see if I can shed some light into those areas. There's no doubt since January, the stock market is down by 20%. The inflation, it's a 40-year high. As we speak, the Federal Reserve is meeting this week, and the consensus, I believe, that they're going to be raising rates up by 75 basis points. If that's the case, the interest rates will jump to around 6.5% to 7% interest rate territory. How we got here and how we got to this mess, well, there's a lot of reasons how we got here, but there's no doubt that the main culprit was the infusion of capital from COVID relief. They poured more than $5.4 trillion into the economy of cash, and an economy already had more than $7 trillion circulating. So the money grew very quickly overnight. Basically, money grows usually by 7% on an annual basis. In this case, it grew by 30%. So now the government is trying to tame this inflation monster as best as possible, but they have to be very careful. If they raise the rates too high, too quickly, they're going to force us into a recession. And if that should happen, it could occur by the end of this year and the beginning of next year for sure. How that's impacting our real estate market here locally? Well, just on previous videos, which I've done, I just want to recap some numbers. The single-family home here in South Florida has doubled in the last 3 years. This first quarter alone, the appreciation rate of single-family homes was around 16%. The condo market appreciation rate was about close to 25 to 26%. There's still a supply and demand problem here, not only in South Florida but across the country. There's a shortage of more than 5 million homes that needs to be built. Those homes are not going to be built overnight. It's going to take some time. Yes, as the rates go up, there's going to be less buyers out there in the market, and the buyers that are available are going to be much more in particular in what type of properties that they're going to choose. So regardless of what side of the transaction that you are, either on the buying side or the seller side, you need a real estate professional consultant and to help navigate you through these difficult waters. I hope you reach out to me or my team. My team is highly trained and professional. And we're licensed not only here in the state of Florida, but also in New York. The rental market as well, here in South Florida, is going to continue to be tight. As some of these buyers revert to tenants, they're moving into a tighter real estate market as well. So I hope I've been able to shed some light. And if you have any additional questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Until next time, all the best.